Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an Arduino learning kit. I've already opened it, so it won't be a true unboxing, but I'll go ahead and show you the contents as well as give you a brief demonstration of turning on some LEDs using the components inside. Alright, so it comes with this resistor card. It's a sticker, so you can put it wherever you want, wherever you're going to be working. Here, I just put it on the box so I can always keep it handy and I wouldn't lose it. When you open it, it comes with a breadboard. It's got the blue and the red labeled, so that's nice. And you've got 400 pins, I believe. It also comes with the jumper wires for the breadboard, so you can go ahead and connect your breadboard. And you can connect it to your Arduino or your Raspberry Pi. Although it does say it's an Arduino learning kit, but you can use it for the different, Raspberry Pi 1, 2, 3, or the Arduino. You've got yellow, blue, green buttons here. You've got the resistors. They are all labeled except one of them that came in here, so I think they just forgot to label it. But all the other ones are labeled. And if you ever do come across some that are not labeled, all you have to do is just look at the color bands and go ahead and look at your resistor card here, and you can figure out which one that it is. Alright, you've got different capacitors here. And the LEDs, you've got yellow, green, blue, and red. And some buzzers. It also comes with pins. And it also comes with this power supply that it's not listed in the description, but it is in the pictures. So it's kind of a bonus. I mean, it's listed in the picture, so you probably assume that you're getting it. But if you look at the description, it does not say it on there. So like I said, I mean, it's a bonus. If you do not have a Raspberry Pi or Arduino, you can go ahead and start tinkering around with the breadboard by just using this. A few downsides about it is going to be this box is kind of small, so after I take everything out, it is a little difficult to put everything back inside of it. But I mean, that's just minor. I can get another box and put everything inside. I do like it because it comes with everything that you need to get started. You've got LEDs. You can turn different LEDs on, turn them off using the buttons. You've got the buzzers, and then you've got the cables if you want to go ahead and connect the Arduino or Raspberry Pi. So it's a good learning kit overall. Okay, so for this tutorial, we're going to be using the DIYMall Arduino beginner kit. The only things you're going to need is this breadboard, a 220 ohm resistor, the power supply, an LED light, and then you're going to either need to use these male to male jumpers and the female to female jumper to create a female to male jumper for this project. And all you would have to do is just put the female to male together, and this one it's brown, so I would look for the brown on this side. And that would be my female to male, and I would preferably use the same color so I know which side is going to the other side, instead of having a brown to an orange and then getting confused. But since I already have male to female jumpers, I'm going to go ahead and use these instead. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this stuff out of the way. And we're going to grab our power supply. It's got 8 pins, 4 on each side. Just make sure they go into the positive and negative side on each side. And go ahead and put that in there. And we're going to be using the 5 volts. It has a 3.3 volts and a 5.5 volt side. We have our jumper here placed on the 2 pins for the 5 volts, so that's where our power and ground we're going to be using goes. So we're going to grab our LED. I chose yellow. This is the negative side, and the long side is the positive side. So we're going to go ahead and put that in row 13 and column E. So this side is negative, this side is positive. We're going to grab our 220 ohm resistor and we're going to go ahead and put it onto the negative side of the LED, and in the same row put the other side here. So the resistor is in row D and the LED is in row E. Next we're going to grab our jumper wires, our female to male jumpers. I'm going to use the green for ground and this one for the power, for the positive side. So we're going to go ahead and put the female to the 5 volt all the way on the top to the right hand side, and we're going to put it on the positive side of the LED. So we'll move down about here to row 14 and column A, and we're going to grab our green wire and put it on our ground jumper on our 5 volt side, and we're going to go ahead and put that on the resistor. Okay, so now we can go ahead and add our power to our breadboard using the power supply. I have this plug here, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. It didn't turn on because the power is off currently. As you can see here, the green light is off. So to turn the power on, all I'm going to do is push this button. And as you can see, this has power, so it's sending the power to the circuit here, and our yellow light is on. And now our yellow light is off.